All right, go to the center one now, Josh.
What do I do with this?
Push it the other way. Push it over to the other end. All right, smooth that last one out. Don't push it over the edge yet, Jonah. Try to just work it and see if you can get it to go down in. Try not to waste it, Josh. All right, just do the last two now, Josh. All right, take that. All right, now screed the whole thing again one more time. All right, do the center. Start over here, do the whole thing. Don't dig it in. All right, do the other end over there. Get your 2x4 over that last 2x4. There you go. So it holds it straight. Don't just pull it. You got to wiggle it.
I wiggle. I lose my grip.
All right, push it back from the edge there. All right, Jonah. Okay. Take the tractor back, son. Back it up and then tip it. Hold on a minute. Wait.